Hello and welcome. We're talking about cleaning your dryer's external lint trap today. Every time you use your clothes dryer, you should clean the lint trap. A clean lint trap helps the dryer to run at maximum efficiency and maximum safety. Some dryers have vent installations called an external lint trap. This is a secondary lint trap and is designed to catch extra lint before it continues through the vent and gets stuck on its way out. Ours looks like this. Located just above the dryer on the wall, you will see a metal turn latch. Turn to release the door. Inside is the dryer vent screen. Simply grab the handle and pull out. Remove any lint buildup. If there's any extra lint on the screen, vacuum to completely remove all the lint from the screen. Using the vacuum, remove extra lint from inside and around the vent and its door. Replace the screen with the handle side down, then shut the vent door. If the vent door won't shut, it may be that the screen is not set correctly. Remove and replace the screen again. The door should close and latch easily. Checking and removing lint every week will ensure that your dryer is venting properly and your laundry will dry in an efficient manner. Thank you for joining us. We hope this video helps in some manner. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and we'll keep posting.